this ये जो है ना.
Nivritte.
No, I can start that if you want, and then.
No, let her try. She did it.
Nivritte sarvadhu khanam.
No, you can. I was saying.
You read the English one.
Each one. Each one. You can.
Read the
It's
English.
Same thing.
Nivritte, free from. Sarvadhu khanam. All misery. Oh, dukhan.
See, it's coming.
All miseries. Ishan, the Lord. Prabhu, omnipotent. Uchya. What is this?
Avya.
Sorry, Avyayaha.
Avya. Immutable. What does that mean? Avya.
Immutable
That
means
means
जो
you cannot-
व्यय मतलब खर्च होना. अव्यय means जो खर्च नहीं होता, जो पूरा का पूरा रहता है.
Infinite.
Sure.
अद्वैतः.
Advaita, non-dual. Sarva bhava.
No, immutable means mutation hota hai na, changes form and all those things. So that even the DNA thing you cannot change it. The
It's
DNA level
constant.
also is mutation.
Okay. Sarva bhava nama. All entities. Dev. Effulgent. Turya.
Turiya.
Vibhu. All pervading. Vibhu. Smrit is considered.
So read the English part.
In that which is indicated as the changeless and the supreme Lord, there is a total cessation of all miseries. It is the one without a second among the plurality. It is known as the Turiya, the ever effulgent and all pervading.
So now, before we go to that, read that. It says, following are the shlokas from the Karika. So the last one that we did was a part of the what you call Upanishad, okay? That shloka was, I just want to make it clear because very important for us to know that. The previous jo bada wala shlok tha na, what is Turiya state? That was part of the Upanishad. This particular shloka is a commentary by Gaudapadji.
Good.
And so he's explaining now
Yeah.
what that state is. Okay.
The terms and qualities indicated in this karika are quite self-evident in the light of our exhaustive treatment of the last mantra. The glossator is only trying to summarize the main points hinted at by the definition in the Upanishad. In the last mantra, the Upanishad in her inimitable words had defined the supreme and impossible feat almost accomplished.
So what was the impossible feat? Because it was undescribable, this thing, and he still did it. That was impossible feat. Yeah.
Impossible, almost accomplished. We have found that this cannot be technically called a definition, for definition is a complete explanation of a thing or a phenomena in terms of words. We have also found that the success of the last mantra does not lie so much in indirectly explaining the reality, the Turiya, as in accomplishing it by the suggestive imports in the word used. Naturally, it is very difficult for an uninitiated student to understand the correct import. We need at such moments the blessings of a guru who could direct our attention, thought and reason in the right channels so that we may discover for ourselves the right suggestiveness of the words. As a glossator, it is now the duty of Gaudapada to direct our attention in the right channels. He is, with the following stanzas, steering our reflections on the right rails towards the ultimate destination of a correct understanding of the true meaning of the Upanishad.
So this is basically, he just, when he described this state, we have already studied everything. He's just summarizing it.
Yeah.
And then, but here, one thing I thought was really very, very good was there is a total cessation of all miseries. Because that's what we fear in this world. All the miseries. And we have, before we did this, we did that Sthita Prajna, remember, where he said that he does not get affected by anything. Tufan aa jaye, somebody
It's a total
dies.
blissful state, yeah.
Exactly. It's like it's so strong in the establishment that nothing affects him, and it is possible. That's what he's saying.
Yeah, so that's why if you're going to be blissful, then you have to be away from misery.
Yes,
So
and
that's in a way
blissful is
describing that.
always blissful for us, like for not like us. Today happy, tomorrow unhappy, things like that. The people who are established, they are blissful. Like I was saying that one of the lectures that I heard that you had sent me, the fellow said one of the swamis had some horrible physical ailments, and
So
somebody asked,
basically, he's
Yeah,
describing
right.
the qualities of the Lord in this paragraph. So
that Turiya
he's-
state,
yeah.
and in that state. Remember,
Vindhya
he said,
Brahma.
how are you doing?
And he's
Yeah.
present everywhere. He's omnipotent, he's immutable. That means you cannot change the God, or you cannot change the Turiya state or immutable. He's talking about the Lord, sir, isn't it?
Yeah, you can call it like anything you want
Oh,
to,
okay.
you know, in that moksha state.
So in
or,
that state, nothing is, there's no misery in that state when you are in the Brahm state or in the Turiya state. And then when you are in that state, it's unchangeable, you cannot change it. Immutable, that's basically
Who
what
would
he's
want
trying
to
say.
change it if you're
There's non-dualism. If there's no non-dualism, there's no distinction between you and I.
Because it's very hard to be in that state
And
and
it's
last
present
for
in all
long.
entities. It's present in all entities.
Yeah.
Sarva.
yeah, it's always there. We just have not realized. But once people who realize it, the point I was trying to bring
What
through
is
that
effulgent means?
effulgent means जिसमें बहुत प्रकाश हो उसको बोलते हैं effulgent.
Right.
So this में तेज भी हो. And
Darkness
it's all
नहीं हो.
pervading.
all pervading, like just like the
Something
sky,
like-
it's all
All
pervading.
over.
So I was bringing that point that Swami, because that's what we struggle with. That okay, if that state is there, then my body is hurting and or this is happening and I have this ailment. So body thought is going to happen. Body is like this thing that's going to destroy and die and all that. So then how do those people? So that's where the detachment comes. Another point of detachment. That these people, it's not that they're not feeling the pain, but they know I'm not the pain. And so that's why, remember we discussed it, that if we even think like that, I'm not, it becomes a little less. It becomes more tolerable. It becomes this, you know. And if you keep doing chintan of the pain, then it...
Yeah,
It,
that's
you
like
actually
you
make it
had
worse.
the example of the
So
Ramakrishna.
that's where
cancer
we
in
need
his
to
own.
get this from.
But he says it's
Oh,
only my body that is
That I
experiencing
have
the cancer.
experienced
It's
it.
not
You
me.
ignore it and it just goes.
It's not my
away.
soul that is experiencing.
So
then
we
you
can, those are the
utilize.
pointers we can take for ourselves, because, you know, we need to find out how this study can help us.
Because no disease can touch even the soul or
Yeah.
the thing.
But Sivanand ji ne, he used to be a doctor before he became Swami.
And he continued his doctorate even
Yeah.
after that.
No,
Because
yeah.
you will see in the movie.
No, because no, I'm not talking Chinmayan, I'm talking
No,
Sivanand.
do you know that was his first guru was Shivanand?
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, you were telling, yeah.
Yeah, you will see in this movie that's the one who gave him
Next
sannyas.
time I'm going to see
Yeah,
the movie.
okay. So he wrote the first book called Bazaar Drugs, because all
Who
the
wrote?
kitchen.
Sadanand?
Shivanand, yeah,
He's
because
a
he
doctor by
said
profession.
कि अगर तुम्हारा दांत भी जरा दर्द कर रहा होगा तुम्हें भगवान नहीं याद आएगा, तो इसलिए पहली चीज उसने लिखी बात कि ये सब जो है जो spices you have in the kitchen, how they help and what you can use it for. That is the first book. It's called Bazaar Drugs. So when I went to Shivananda Ashram in Rishikesh,
Bazaar is Bazaar.
Yeah,
Not
B-A-
Goala. Bazaar. No.
Huh.
Okay.
yeah, Bazaar Drugs means they are
Bazaar
available in the
shopping.
market.
Market.
Market drugs. So I went to that ashram and I told him my son is doing medicine, you know. So this Swami came, gave me 4 or 5 books of those. He says, give him those books, you know, see if he can learn from that, you know. So I gave it to him, my son.
See, to come to that state where the body is not going to affect you, that's a very much higher state. But to start out with, अगर भूख लगी हो, अगर body ठीक नहीं हो, तो फिर हमको कहाँ से भजन
Yeah.
करने को मिलेगा? That's why they say yam, niyam, asana.
That's why.
Yeah, the whole Ashtanga yoga, if you start from that and then you can reach
That's
the
first of all,
meditation.
अपने body जो है, that is a temple. The body को तो ठीक रखना ही पड़ेगा ना. Then only the mind will function
But
properly.
some of these other swamis, you know, they are already at that state. For them, body is
Not
nothing but
important,
to
yeah.
start
But
out.
still
with,
they
yeah.
manage the body.
Yeah.
They have to
Either
manage
they
the
have
body.
desires are less, because even this course I'm taking about the astral travel, so he talks about this. He says first the Maslow's hierarchy has to be met. In other words, you have to be comfortable by feeding yourself, and all these worries have to be gone. So you shouldn't be worried about, you know, daily meal.
Yeah,
and-
beginning
Yeah.
sadhana, you have
Basic
to do that.
अपना
Okay,
जो-
what's the time?
Food, clothing and all that.
Oh, this is correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I have a question.
Yeah.
The next one is a very big one and it's a little more technical and all that because it talks about cause and effect. So should we stop here?
We have 10 minutes. We can do something, but yeah.
We can do
We
something
can do
else
half at
क्योंकि
least,
our,
half the current.
12 बजे
a
लोग
couple of
आएंगे.
people are, yeah, they might come 5 minutes after 12 or something.
Yeah.
तो अभी 10 minute है.
Yeah.
तो
So either if you want, we can go into it and not finish it.
Just do the.
That will give you some idea.
I think we can just read the Sanskrit thing and not discuss too much.
Okay, you can do the Sanskrit of this. Go ahead.
कार्य कारण बद्धो तवेस्यति विश्व तेजसः प्रज्ञा करण बद्धसः तु दिवो ताव तुर्य न सिद्ध्यतः. Karya means the effect, karanam is the cause, baddham is conditioned by. Tav is both, ishte is considered to be, tejasya vishwa, tejasya is vishwa and tejasya, prajna is karan baddha. Karan baddha is
Pragna is Pragna, they said, yeah. Okay, we already know what that is.
Karana baddha is conditioned by the cause alone. Tu is tu, dva is dav, tu, both of them. Turiya is in turiya and siddhyate is do not exit. So pragya state is basically the deep sleep state, isn't it?
Right.
So Vishwa and Tejas are both conditioned by the cause. Vishwa.
Cause and effect.
So what is Vishwa and Tejas are conditioned?
Vishwa is that Vaishvanara. Remember the one waking state is called
Waking
Vishwa.
state, huh?
Tejas is the dream state.
Yeah. Waking state and the dream state are both conditioned by cause and effect. But prajna, the deep state, is conditioned by cause alone. Both cause and effect exist not in Turiya. So Turiya, in Turiya there's nothing, there's no cause and no effect. So now let us understand what is cause.
Yeah, read the first
Yeah.
paragraph.
So basically first we understand is in the waking state and in the deep state, in the dream state, they are both affected by cause and effect. Like you do some action, you're going to,
Right.
it'll have an interaction.
Right.
No,
Okay.
it's not really
Cause
talking
and
about that. When you read
Okay,
that first
but
paragraph, it'll tell you
From
what it
the
is.
general meaning.
Okay.
And prajna is the deep sleep state. In that there's only cause. You can only have, something will happen but there will be no action related to that or there will be no effect. And in Turiya there's nothing, there's no cause and no action, it's total bliss, there's no effect, there's nothing happening there. So cause is that state in which the effects are in it, yet in condition of unmanifestation.
Okay, let's stop right there because that we need to understand. Cause is that state in which the effects are in it, yet in condition of unmanifestation. It's something like you have cloud,
Cloud.
which is full of moisture.
Yeah, but
So that means the rain has not fallen yet,
it's not unmanifested, yeah.
but it is in an unmanifested state.
It's
And when
still
the
there.
rain falls, it becomes manifested. So if you
Yeah.
can understand that, then we know cause and effect.
Even the moon and sun, the moon is always there. But because the sun's rays are so high, the moonlight is not visible. So the moon is unmanifested in the day, you can say.
Yeah, you can say that. Or basically you can say something like a seed. That's another very
Seed,
good
yeah.
example.
Seed has a life in it.
You know, somebody said, what do you see in the seed? And Buddha said, I see a tree. You know, because he can see that
There's
it has a
life inside.
capability. And right now the capacity is there, but it's unmanifested.
Yeah.
But you put it in the right condition, tree will come out.
He
So that's
sees
cause and
he
effect.
sees a forest.
He sees a forest. Sorry,
Forest.
that's Buddha. You're right. I don't. That was very good one. Not tree, but the forest, because it's capable of making many trees. One seed.
So now we understand cause is that state in which the
Effects
effects are there in it, but it's not manifested.
Now you understood, right?
When the effects are manifested out of the cause invariably disappears and becomes the effect.
Like badal and pani. Badal baras gaya, pani ban gaya, badal gayab ho gaya. That's what it's saying.
When the effects,
Badal is a
Cloud.
Cloud.
Badal.
So when he's saying when the effect has taken place, same thing in the seed. When the tree has sprouted, the thing has sprouted
Tree-
and becomes
seed is
a
gone.
person.
Yes.
The seed is gone. So the cause is gone, the effect is there. So we can look at two examples.
That is a
Remember
good
cause and
example of a
effect.
tree. That's a good example.
Yeah. So when the effects are manifested out of the cause, it has to be manifested out of the cause. Then the cause invariably disappears and becomes the effect. Vishwa or the waking state ego is conditioned by both the cause and the effect.
Now it will tell you what
The
cause
cause here in the world of spirituality is the ignorance, avidya,
is. Of what?
of the real nature, of
Yes.
our real nature, that we are all Brahma. So in the waking world, we are in the sleep state, like we don't know. It's unmanifested in us that we are the real blissful people.
No, first let's just understand what is the cause of this world. In the Vedantic explanation, they say the world manifests because we don't know who we are.
Yeah, we are ignorant of our beings.
That's why this sansar ki utpatti hoti hai. That's what they are saying. So the cause is the ignorance,
Yeah.
avidya.
Of the
they call
real
it.
nature.
Yes.
Not knowing that we are eternal and immortal, the all-pervading pure consciousness. We have projected ourselves out of ourselves to see a world of objects.
So now it's telling you why, how. So you got it, right? That's
Like it's a superimposition. We are
Yes,
superimposition.
superimposition,
And then
exactly.
getting ourselves enmeshed in these objects. अपन सब चीज को सोचते हैं यही अपनी चीज है.
and
All
then
the
what
objects
happens?
को.
The effect
With
kya
our
hota hai?
attachment and hatred,
Yeah.
with our likes and dislikes towards them, we live in the life of the waking state, perplexed, agitated, and torn asunder between our life's sorrows and joys, and that is the cause.
So now you understood कि उसका पूरा मूल में कारण अविद्या है और उसकी वजह से क्या क्या होता है.
Yeah.
They're saying we projected ourselves out of ourselves to see the world of objects, and then getting ourselves enmeshed in this object with our attachments and hatred and likes and dislikes towards them. We live the life in the waking state perplexed. We're always confused, agitated. ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, you know,
Make
and
fools
torn
of
asunder between our life sorrows and joys. I
Like
mean,
we are
so
making fools of
beautifully.
ourselves, yes.
Yeah, right.
We are fools.
Yes. So now it became clear कि waking state में
Yeah.
cause and effect दोनों के सताए हुए हैं हम.
Okay. You want to
Ignorance
read?
से वो हो गया.
That's Vishwa.
Thus, Visva can be considered as a poor victim of both the cause, the ignorance, and its effect, the world of objects. Here, the world of objects includes not only the things and being of the world, but even our own intellect, mind, and body. The waker in us, we all know, is not the only conditioned by the external world of objects and circumstances, but also chained and lashed by the mental and intellectual personalities in us.
Let's think about that for just a minute.
Right.
So he's saying that we not only get messed up with the
Of
world of
outside
objects,
world.
but inner world also. वो ज़्यादा सताता है
Mental,
हमको.
yeah.
You know, right?
Mental.
Well, everybody got it, right?
Yeah, mental guesses. Yeah.
Yeah, we are mess in the mental state. Yes.
The idea suggested in the mantra is not quite obvious for the novice unless the student has in itself a very subtle and high power of reflection. Gadappa is declaring that when the Upanishad says Turiya is neither conscious of the things without nor conscious of the world within, it means that it is neither Visva or not Tejasa. Nor Tejasa. It exactly what says the reality is not the waker as the Visva is now pointed out by the grosser. The waker is conditioned by both ignorance and the ignorance created egocentric concepts of the mental and intellectual weakness and the world of delusions outside.
Yeah, I think we can end it here now.
Right.
So we got the picture.
Yeah.
What he's talking about.
What is talking about the
Very
waking
fun.
state में अपन लोग कैसा behave करते हैं?
Mean waking state में हम victim हैं, cause और effect दोनों के victim हैं. Or he's going to talk about, maybe I should just summarize it so
Yeah.
it become easier when
Yeah,
you read.
right.
Then it says that even in the dream state we are victim of both. Because हम जो दुनिया बनाते हैं अपनी dream में,
Right.
वो भी उसमें भी cause and effect दोनों है. But when we are deep sleep, तो effect नहीं है,
Right.
खाली cause है. Then you remember you had asked question. It's going to go in detail what
Yeah, we'll read
what
it, but,
deep sleep stated. It's a complete ignorance,
Right.
you know. But in Turiya, that cause and effect is not there, and you are awake. That's the difference,
Right.
you know.
So you are always in a karma mode.
In Turiya state, yeah.
Or always in a
कर्म mode?
अकर्म,
अकर्म.
अकर्म.
you are always dreaming.
Because तुमको वो effect और cause उसमें touch नहीं करता,
Yeah.
you know. Like I think one of the somebody said that एक स्वामी ने बोला कि एक आदमी गया उसके पास और बोला ओ मैं इतना दुखी हूँ, ये है वो है, तो उसने बोला देख तेरे जिंदगी में जो दुख आएगा वो मैं नहीं हटा सकता, पर दुख से दुखी नहीं हो वो मैं तेरे को सिखा सकता हूँ.
That is true.
So that's what he was
That's
saying.
good.
It's not like जैसे हम लोग जाते हैं ना, हाय मेरा ये ठीक कर दे, वो ठीक कर दे, वो सब नहीं मैं कर सकता, लेकिन तेरे को अफेक्ट नहीं हो वो मैं टेक्निक सिखा सकता हूँ तुझे.
That is important because जब बॉडी का बर्थ लिया है तो सुख दुख तो साथ में रहेगा ही. How you react to it, that's what.
But you know that a lot of times people they go to sadhus, oh मेरा ये fix करो, वो fix करो, तो some of those advanced guys will say यहाँ संसार की बातें मत करो.
Yeah.
They put a board.
जैसे एक आदमी था ना, he lost his job, तो he went to those people जो एक वो चिड़िया जो है वो निकालती है,
Yeah.
तो वो बैठा हुआ था, उसको गया, उसने निकाला, कहता है 6 महीने तक सब ठीक हो जाएगा. उसने कहा मुझे जॉब मिल जाएगा, कहता नहीं, you will get used to it.
That's a good one. Okay.
So now you can stop the recording.
Suggestion, ये प्रेयर्स को एक्चुअल संस्कृत में उसका वीडियो बना लो, tape, and then we sing with that. So when they play the song,
Okay.
Then
Maybe
that way
Nina ji
actual-
can help us doing that.
नहीं we need some technical help in making the
Whoever opens the mouth
MP3.
is the person in charge.
I can put it on YouTube, but you give me the recording, then I'll put it with.
But
the,
everybody try to, let's try to improve our Sanskrit.
yeah. No, but
for our
when you are
memory
pronouncing with the
Yeah.
actual, then
Okay.
when you pronounce with this,
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhaveet. Hari Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namah. Hari Om. Okay. Om Asito Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om
Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanam mrityormukshiyamamritat.
Okay, the last one was
Purnamada.
Om
Purnamada Purnamidam Purnasya Purnamadichyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Let's do three
You
times
sent
Om.
us the Purnamidaya.
3 times Om. Yeah, I
Om.
sent it last night, middle of the night.
Yesterday you sent it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
तीन श्लोक जो है ना, उनमें से जो हमने बोले, other than the Purnamada, I have them because Jayati sang that in her show. So we got
But
three
I
of
think
them.
this is also going good because this way what it does is it forces us to learn the correct pronunciation.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
So, like the
What we can do is if you have recorded it, you can send us, then we can hear it
At
and
home,
at home,
yeah.
and then we learn the correct pronunciation.
But then there is
Or
another issue.
on the internet separately, one should combine them on one CD.
Yeah.
And then we should have paper and we can sing along with it.
Yeah, you can sing along.
But then there's only one thing that sometimes when people actually put some raga and all that, and then they say
Very
that.
difficult,
yeah.
But for us, we will just say it the way.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is true.
I'm trying to. Okay, I'm not. I'm one of the poorest in chanting.
No, we'll
because
figure
we
out
are
the one
there.
which are
But our
which are
Acharya
dry.
corrects us.
Which are dry.
Hmm?
which are dry, not with raga.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
Then
Then,
you
then
can-
the correct pronunciation.
But I remembered this right side eye. We were telling, he resides there because when she sang this Govind Damodar Madhaveti, I had tear coming from this eye all the time.
Really?
It was amazing. I'll send you the videos.
बहुत तो पंडित जसराज जी ने गाया।
नहीं, but ये जयति ने
Original है पंडित जसराज जी ने गाया हुआ है।
नहीं, वो बड़े लोगों ने
So by the
गाया।
power
कौन सा वाला?
गोविंद दामोदर
Oh
माधव
yeah, that's even
Govind
this
Madhav.
that Sikh
Krishnashtaki.
singer. उसने भी बहुत
If you have it, we can play it. I mean, we can hear the bhajan while we are
You were there actually.
Yes,
You
last
came
time.
late.
Last time I was
अच्छा, वो
actually.
But you
जगजीत
came
सिंह
late.
ने
enjoyed
बहुत
last time
अच्छे
because
से
her son was
गाया।
singing so much.
Beautiful.
You didn't
इतनी
enjoy?
भक्ति में
Because I don't like his son singing. Like her
Really?
singing is good. Yeah, I don't.
No, he sang that thing so good.
See,
Chidanand.
remember, these are very subjective things. कि किसी को कौन सा गाना अच्छा होता है, किसी को कौन सा गाना अच्छा होता है. That's what it is. Whatever keeps your mind quiet, just do it.
Whose pencil? Both are your pencils?
Yeah, maybe because I always very.
क्या हो गया?
नहीं देखो
ये आप ये
सुरेंद्र
करो.
आ जाएंगे वो आ जाएंगे एक्चुअली
We can discuss. You have anything to say? Urvashi? Did you like
Yes,
the
I
session?
know.
She was gonna come from
Do
there
you like
to
the
here.
session? You want to come again? We meet every Tuesday at 10:30 here.
You are not
Oh,
forced
next
to.